Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdullah Saad. Today we'll talk about I am from grade 4A. My subject is science. My chapter is 3 poems. The lesson is desert. Today we'll talk about desert. Desert. Temperature extremely variable. Rainfall very little. Soils dry and thin. Desert. Every continent has at least one desert. A desert is a bare bone with very little rainfall. The world's largest desert is the Sahara of Africa. Desert bombs can desert bombs can be hot or cold in the daytime. Hot desert can base 100 Fahrenheit and 38 seriously. At night, the air cools to around 25 Fahrenheit and -4 seriously. Few organisms can live in such an extreme environment. Desert plants like the cactus yucca can able to survive long periods with no rain. Desert animal can go for long periods with little water.